Recently, Lenovo has officially announced the imminent release of a new gaming tablet in China, set to take place on July 22nd. This highly anticipated device will serve as the successor to the Legion Y700, which was introduced last year to favorable reviews. Enthusiasts and gamers alike are eagerly awaiting the arrival of the Legion Y700 2023, as it is expected to bring significant hardware upgrades and improvements over its predecessor. While Lenovo has been relatively tight-lipped about the upcoming tablet, key specifications have surfaced ahead of its official launch, offering a glimpse into what can be expected. One of the most noteworthy enhancements is an upgraded hardware configuration, aimed at delivering an even more immersive and powerful gaming experience. The Legion Y700 2023 is likely to feature a high-performance processor, providing increased processing power and efficiency. This will allow users to tackle resource-intensive games and applications with ease. Additionally, the tablet is expected to offer a substantial amount of RAM, ensuring smooth multitasking and seamless gameplay. According to reliable tipster Digital Chat Station, who recently shared some key specifications on Weibo, the upcoming Lenovo Legion Y700 2023 gaming tablet is set to impress with its upgraded features. The device will sport an 8.8-inch LCD screen, offering a display resolution of 1600 by 2560 pixels. Notably, it will come with an improved 144Hz refresh rate, enhancing the visual experience for gamers. The large screen size places it in the phablet category, slightly larger than most smartphones available today. In terms of battery capacity, the Legion Y700 2023 will be equipped with a 6550 mAh battery unit, providing ample power for extended gaming sessions. Additionally, it will support 45 watts fast charging, enabling users to quickly recharge their device and minimize downtime. The tablet will feature an 8-megapixels front-facing camera for capturing selfies and participating in video calls, while a 13-megapixels rear camera will be available for capturing photos and videos. Although gaming tablets are primarily developed for gaming, having decent camera capabilities allows users to engage in other multimedia activities. Under the hood, the Legion Y700 2023 has been confirmed to be powered by a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, promising high-performance capabilities for gaming and multitasking. It is expected to offer up to 16 gigs of RAM, allowing for smooth and seamless gameplay. Digital Chat Station also mentioned some additional features of the Lenovo Legion Y700 2023. The device is set to incorporate an X-axis linear motor, providing enhanced haptic feedback for more immersive gaming experiences. It will also include dual speakers for improved audio quality, delivering crisp and immersive sound during gameplay. Furthermore, the tablet will feature a large area for VC vapor chamber cooling, ensuring efficient heat dissipation and maintaining optimal performance during intensive gaming sessions. With these impressive specifications, the Lenovo Legion Y700 2023 is shaping up to be a highly capable gaming tablet. As the launch date approaches, gamers eagerly anticipate experiencing the enhanced visuals, powerful performance, and immersive features that this device promises to deliver. Overall, the launch event for the Lenovo Legion Y700 2023 is set to be an exciting occasion for gamers and technology enthusiasts. It will provide a comprehensive overview of the tablet's features, capabilities, and gaming-focused enhancements. With the anticipation building, attendees and fans will have the opportunity to witness firsthand the evolution of Lenovo's gaming tablet lineup and the advancements that make the Legion Y700 2023 a promising device for immersive and high-performance gaming. Thanks for watching the video until the end. Have a nice day and God bless you.